Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by assembling materials and creating a stable base. You mix silicone at the specified ratio. Accuracy matters because curing hinges on proportions. Once mixed, pour a thin first layer into your mold to capture details, then wait until tacky. Make sure to press a soft stuffing core into the semi-cured layer so the final squishy has rebound. This step prevents solid mass and keeps the penguin pliable and light. Now you continue by layering and refining the squishy's internal structure. You add an airy core that occupies most of the volume so the penguin compresses easily. Do not overfill or it will be firm. Once done with the core, pour additional silicone layers to encapsulate it, waiting between coats so each bonds. Make sure to create surface texture while the last layer is tacky. This increases realism and helps paint adhere. Once fully cured, trim seams carefully for a smooth finish. To finish, you remove the penguin from the mold and inspect seams. Trim with precision so cuts are clean. Next, paint small details and seal with a flexible clear coat to prevent cracking when squeezed. Once done, test the squishiness with repeated compressions. You want consistent rebound without tackiness. If the surface feels sticky, try dusting lightly with talc or return the piece to a warm, ventilated area to cure longer. This resolves incomplete curing or moisture issues and ensures long-term pliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.